Yun, unang Lala Move of the year. Oh my God! Yun, buksan lang natin real quick. By the way, pinadalhan tayo ng Scent Fairy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. No way, bro. No way. By the way, this is Dior Sauvage Elixir ng Scent Fairy. I love Dior Sauvage Elixir and I like it very much kasi super manly and spicy ng amoy niya. And, okay, wait lang. I-ready lang natin lahat. And then, oh my God. Sir Fred, thank you so much. What the hell? What the hell, bro? Eto ba? Okay, buksan lang natin ito real quick. Amoy donut. Amoy donut. So, buksan lang natin real quick. Ang ilan sa mga pabango ng Scent Fairy. By the way, guys, napaka-solid ng Scent Fairy. Pakipollow naman yung Scent Fairy, mga boss. Ay, actually, hindi Scent Fairy. Shop Mix Trade. Yeah. So, napaka-solid nila. Oh my God, friend. So, meron tayong dalawang pabango. Which are Erba Pura. Which sobrang solid ng Erba Pura na Scent Fairy, by the way. Tapos, meron tayong 9 PM inspired ng Scent Fairy. Meron din tayong Dior Sauvage Elixir. And what the hell is this? Meron tayong Taher ng Artemius, which is a dupe of Parfums de Marly or PDM Altair or Altair. Grabe, pre. Gusto ko to, pre. Oh my God. Let's crack it open. Oh my God, bro. So, yun. Wait lang. Unahin lang muna natin yung dupe, pre. Grabe, pre. Napakaganda. Sniff. Sniff natin. Sniff natin si Taher. Woo! Altamis, cinnamon, vanilla, gourmand, sweet. Ang sarap. Ang sarap nito, man. Ang sarap nito. Okay, try natin si Dior Sauvage Elixir. Si Dior Sauvage Elixir ng Scent Society. Andun yung sipa agad. Dior Sauvage Elixir na Dior Sauvage Elixir. Wow! Spicy! Cardamom, lavender. Napakabango, pre. Erba Pura is one of the best scents na Scent Fairy, guys. Napakamali ng Erba Pura nila. Like, literally. Woo! Atomizer check! Woo! Manggang-mangga, fruity tropical zesty scent. May pagka-vanilla, ang tamis, may pagka-fresh. And manly yung amoy niya, pre. Manly. Napaka-manly ng amoy niya ito. Ito naman is 9 PM, which is inspired, a dupe, a clone of Ultramal. Pero ito, in-inspired siya ng Scent Fairy. So, yun. Try natin. Fruity cinnamon, lavender nandun, may mint, and sweet vanilla. Napaka-goods na goods. Pero, sarap ni Taher, pre. Oh my God, what the hell. Thank you so much, Shop Mix Trade. Sir Fred, thank you so much. Para kayong mga hulog ng langit. Thank you, guys. Please, pa-follow naman si Shop Mix Trade. Sobrang solid yan. Nagbebenta sila ng mga Middle Eastern perfumes and nandun si Scent Fairy na pa-solid talaga. Yun lang. Thank you so much, mga boss.